Hey everybody, Jessica here. So the first step to using my templates to create your own brushes is to load up the patterns in Photoshop and also the optional color add-on styles if you like. They're not necessary though. So I'm in Photoshop here and I'm just going to go to Edit, Preset Manager, and let's navigate on our top left to our patterns. And as you see here, I actually have them loaded up number 1 all the way through 120. But to load your patterns, simply all you do is click on the top right, click load, navigate to find your Photoshop patterns in your file folder, go to Gold Brush Patterns and click open. So then they'll be loaded up in your patterns, in your Photoshop pattern presets. Then we want to go to the styles. And I actually have my color add-on styles loaded up here and I moved them up to the top, so they're quite handy for me. But the same thing, you just go to load and load your color add-on styles, and then you'll have them all here. And I put them already at the front because I use them all the time. So I click done. So now I'm ready to go and open up my Photoshop files and take the next step. So check out that video.